Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Yamaha Midnight Venture. This V4 1300cc luxury touring bike was just acquired, which is $57,000 on the odometer. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled V4, fully equipped touring cruiser. It's got AM FM stereo, full bags, running lights, floorboards, heel toe shifter, shaft drive, rider backrest. This bike is really gorgeous, makes a real statement, and you can get into it for just $49.90. Come by, check it out. We're below book on pricing. Beautiful metallic blue Midnight Venture 1300. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.